Jai Jagannath. Every year, millions gather in Puri to witness something divine. The only time in the year when Lord Jagannath leaves his temple. Why does the Lord come out? There is a beautiful story behind this. Devotees believe Lord Jagannath comes out of the temple to meet every person, rich or poor, privileged or not, because not everyone can enter the temple. So the Lord Himself steps out to give darshana to the whole world. The journey to Gundicha temple, Jagannath, Balabhadra and Subhadra travel in three massive chariots to Gundicha temple, the childhood home of the siblings. It's like the Lord going on a vacation to his aunt's house, filled with joy, music, devotion and celebration. Meaning behind the Rath Yatra symbolizes one profound message. God is not confined to walls. He walks among His glories. He comes closer to those who cannot reach Him. It's a reminder that Bhagwan belongs to everyone. A journey of love, devotion and unity. This is the true meaning of Rath Yatra. Jai Jagannath. Jai Jagannath. In the heart of Puri stands a divine family. Three siblings worship together across the world. Who are these siblings? Lord Jagannath represents love and compassion, Balabhadra, strength and protection, and Subhadra, the gentle bond that unites them. Together, they symbolize balance, power guided by kindness, devotion, and harmony. A unique form of worship. Unlike most temples where gods are worshipped alone, here the siblings are inseparable. They eat together, travel together during Rath Yatra, and share the same sacred space, teaching us the value of unity and togetherness. A message for humanity. Their bond reminds us that family is divine, differences are natural, and love is what holds everyone together. In a divided world, the sibling stands as one, a bond beyond time, beyond form, beyond ego. This is the divine sibling love of Puri. Jai Jagannath.